Subscribe to our YouTube channel to become a part of our growing YouTube community and to learn English effectively.
So you've been attending night classes for a while now. Do you feel it's helping you?
Yes, furthering my education is already bringing about positive results in my workplace as it has boosted my confidence. As well, the tutoring system my school employs offers courses uniquely sweet.
Really? That's great that you found a school that puts your need first.
As well, my company has been very supportive about my decision. They've cut back my working hours in order to accommodate my studies.
That's great. They must really be committed to staff development.
They are. We definitely see eye to eye on my enhanced performance being a win-win situation for everyone involved.
IMPF Bank, Lee Lan speaking. How may I help you?
Hello, Ms. Lee, this is Mr. Peng.
Hello, Mr. Peng. How nice to hear from you again. What can I do for you today?
We'll be coming in tomorrow to make a rather large cash withdrawal. It's for payroll.
I see. How much exactly?
500,000 rib. Do you need me to give you my account number?
No, that's okay. I've got all of your information here on the screen in front of me. The money will be ready and waiting for you tomorrow.
Thanks very much for your help, Lee Lan. See you tomorrow. Ah, hello. So, you are back?
Yes, I received everything in the post this morning.
That's good. Could I please see the originals of everything?
What's the exchange rate today?
You're pretty lucky actually. Today is higher than yesterday. It's 824.71 rib for 100 United States dollars.
Great. Do you need me to sign anything?
Yes. Please sign your name at the bottom of the exchange receipt. Thanks very much, and here's your money. Good afternoon. Welcome to EBA. How can I be of service?
I'd like to talk to somebody about the group account deposit service.
This refers to the deposit business offered to the Level 1 account of group companies.
What is it used for? I mean, why bother to get this special account?
Group companies can use this to make their arrangement of funds flexible when dealing with their subsidiaries.
I see. So this can really cut down on time and centralize management. Interesting.
Hello, there. What can we do for you today?
I received some leaflets in the post from you. One of them talked about a new service you have where you can transfer money between this bank and securities companies. Is that right?
Yes, that's right. We have just introduced the program, but it's very popular already.
I also read that if the customer is a stock investor, which I am, it's possible to get additional benefits.
Right again. We can provide a tailored consultation service for you, giving you the latest quotes from the stock exchange and help you to plan what exactly you do with your investments.
What if I don't want to come into the branch? Can I use the consultation service over the phone?
Certainly, sir. Via phone or internet, anytime, any place.
How's everything with you today?
I'm fine. Thank you.
What can I do for you?
I need to transfer money.
Do you know which account you want to take the money from?
From my savings account.
Where are you transferring the money to?
I would like it transferred to my checking account.
How much?
I want to transfer $200.
Will that be all?
Yes, that will be all.
Welcome to Lincoln Bank. What can we do for you today?
Hello. I called earlier in the week and spoke to someone in the personal loans department about an overseas study loan. She said to come in as soon as I had the chance, as this must be done in person. I'd like to apply today.
Okay, that's absolutely fine. I will need to see some credentials before we can get started. Do you have the notification of admission letter from your university, your passport and your visa with you?
Yes, it's all here. There you go. I'm not sure if I need any other proof or guarantee to get this loan, do I?
You do, I'm afraid. There are 3 ways to do this. You can choose mortgage, pledge or guarantee mode.
Yes, I read about all of these in the brochure and decided which would be more suitable for me. I'd like to go for the guarantee mode, please.
Right, that's no problem. I see you are already well informed. If you choose that one, you can borrow up to 70% of the total tuition and miscellaneous fees.
Okay, that's perfect. 70% is excellent. It'll be a big help. Thanks.
Good afternoon. It's a pleasure to see you again. What can we do for you today?
I've come in to give you the documents under the LC we opened, the new one. This lot are from Singapore, a new customer.
Have you had a chance to go through them yet?
Yes, with a fine-toothed comb, as usual. Everything seems fine, except for one thing. The description of the items we are purchasing is a little different from what we expected.
Is it a big difference?
Not really. Perhaps just a translation problem, that's all. Anyway, we've agreed to accept it.
I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but it's that time of year again. Have you got your performance evaluations finished yet?
Oh no. Evaluations. You can tell that's not my favorite job. I haven't even started yet. When is the deadline for turning in the completed forms?
Well, you do still have 3 weeks. But remember, the employee must sign them, too. Filling them in is nothing. It's meeting with the employees that takes so much time.
I never know how to rate the employees' work. Of course, attendance and productivity are easy. I just look at the sales figures.
So it's the subjective criteria like team building and colleague support that you find hard?
Exactly. Attitude. How do you rate attitude?
I suggest letting each employee fill out his or her own evaluation for those items. Then, based on their self-assessment, you can add your comments. It's a great starting point for discussion.
Great idea. And after all, that's the whole point of an evaluation. I almost can't wait to give it a try.
Good morning. I'd like to ask some questions about your insurance policies.
Of course. Please sit down. How can I help you?
I bought a house recently and would like to insure it and its content.
I see. Here's a pamphlet about our home insurance policy. We've named our policy, Umbrella. May I ask how much you paid for your home and where you live? These are the 2 main things that decide how much your premiums are.
I understand. I live in the Oakfield area and paid $100,000 for my home.
Let me just check that on my computer. Oakfield is a low-risk area, so your premiums will probably be around $100 a month. The other thing to take into account is deductibles.
In this pamphlet it says that the minimum amount for deductibles is $2,000. What does that mean exactly?
It means that the first $2,000 of any claim you make must be paid by you. The insurance policy covers any amount above that, up to the agreed limit.
Oh, I see. That's fine. What is the advantage of having higher deductibles?
If you have higher deductibles, your premium are lower, because you will pay more of the claim and we will pay less.
It seems that I should do some calculations before deciding. I presume that the insurance period can be for as long as we agree.
We initially sign one-year policies with our policyholders. These are renewable after the first year.
If I have a claim, how long does it take to make a settlement? I've heard that with some insurance companies, it can take months.
That is of great concern to our clients. We aim to satisfy all claims within a month, but we can't guarantee that.
Good afternoon. Can I help you?
Is Ms. April Wong available at the moment?
I'm sorry, sir. She's currently away at our sub-branch. Is there anything I can help you with?
I hope so. I'm in the process of applying for a credit card with you, and Ms. Wong asked me to drop off these documents.
Let me take a look. ID. Yes. Form completed. Yes. Well, it looks in order, sir.
Do you need anything else from me?
We do require a deposit before we can issue you with a personal credit card.
No problem. How much? If I don't have enough on me, I'll pop over to the ATM and draw some.
The minimum deposit is 1,500 rib. But you will need to pay some small additional handling charges as well.
I think I can manage that. Let's see. Yes, here we are. I'd like to open a current account.
Certainly. May I see your social security and your ID, please?
Here you are. I wonder how much interest can I earn from my current account.
Oh, current account don't pay our interest.
Why is that?
It's primarily designed for business transactions. That is, write checks to pay the bills, buying things and sending money. We won't expect a large amount of deposit in current account.
I see. How do I draw money from my news then?
Hello, Mr. Brown. I'm glad you came in today. We've just opened a new service that you might be interested in. It's called Bank Securities Link.
And what does that entail?
It's actually a deposit account that links to your margin account, the one you have with the securities company. You can transfer the money you have in your account into your fund account.
How can I do that?
You can use your deposit book or your credit card. And of course, you can use our e-banking.
Morning, madam. This is the window for foreign exchange savings. How can I help you?
I want to save some US dollars into my account.
That's fine. Is it a time deposit?
Yes, that's what my husband advised me to do. But I'm not sure how long I should save for.
Well, we offer 5 grades as standard.
2 years does seem like a long time. How about the interest if I save for 6 months?
For 6 months we can offer you 0.59%.
That sounds fine to me. Yes, I think 6 months is the way to go. Next, please. May I help you, sir?
Hello. Yes, I'd like to open a bank account.
Certainly, I can help you with that. What type of account would you like to open? a checking or a savings account?
What features do they offer?
Well, if you just take a look here, see, with our checking account, you can have unlimited daily transactions for a small monthly fee, and our savings account has a higher interest rate, but you must carry a minimum balance of $10,000.
I see. Well, I think I'm more interested in a checking account. I like to have easy access to my money.
Alright, then, with this checking account you'll be issued a debit card and a checkbook. Will you require overdraft protection? There is an extra fee for that.
No, that won't be necessary.
In that case, I'll get you to fill out this paperwork. I'll need your social insurance number, and 2 pieces of government ID. If you could just sign here, and here, and here. We'll be all set. Would you like to make a deposit today?
Yes, I'd like to deposit $1 billion.
Is learning the English language your toughest challenge yet? Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials.